So if your Jeep's running really fucking stupid and misfiring and you can't figure it out, you take it to the mechanic, spend thousands of dollars, go buy a temp sensor and measure the temperature of your catalytic converters. If there's a difference, you probably got this stupid thing in there. I'm going to try to do this so you can see that I didn't do anything. See. Alright, crack this bitch open. See inside. Can you see? I need a better light. You got your phone, Libby?
It's gonna have the exact same.
Oh, I can at least shine your light and. Maybe you guys can't see what's in here. There is a freaking chunk of the catalytic. Oh, right there, you can see it. See it? Right there? Hello, bitch. You got something skinnier? Yeah, look at this. Look at that. It's sitting right over the hole. Fucking. I don't know how many hours I spent on this stupid thing. It's right in the fucking hole. Look at that. Should be up in there. It is down inside this. Oh, there she's loose. That son of a bitch right there.
Grab those and
Jesus.